ifconfig tells you the interfaces that are on your server. If I wanted to change this, I would just do that command up arrow again, and then go nano etc. Let me actually show you the cat real quick here, how it looks. Cat. Okay. I can't edit anything; it just shows me, right? So let me do nano. I'm gonna edit it, and you see here. You see that you can edit anything really here. Hash mark, whatever. Anytime you put a hash mark in front of something, that it comments it out. For instance, that'll comment it out. The machine's not going to read it. Like, okay, I don't know. In my case, I had to add this in. So auto, the interface name, if name. Oh, wait a minute. Look at that. 160. Oh, look at that. How did I miss that? So Control X, exit. Yes. Yep, saving it there. So let me show you the actual where you're going to put that interface portion so that you can get it on the internet. So for instance, you know, you have a Ubuntu server and you don't want to waste an IP. Some places only give you 1 or 2 or 3 IPs public, and you want to make sure you just access the internet from it. So in our case, we're just going to show you. It's cat/etsy/resolve.conf. Push enter, and you're going to see that at the bottom. I didn't change the first one. The bottom one, the name server, that's how you get the internet right there. So for instance, if you wanted to do it like this, if you wanted to, for example, you don't have, let's just say you don't have a domain controller, right? So in that case, you could just put Google's DNS server. Yeah, you could just do that, and that would take the place of the 172. You could do that either way. So in our case, we have 172, but we already have our. And I'll go over and show you really quick what that looks like. I'm going to exit, and yes. So notice I didn't make it a setting. I just put a little, a hash mark. Don't read that basically, but that's what you type in there. Name server. Google is 8.8.8.8. Okay, let's go over to the domain controller. I want to show you that 172.168. Rather 172.16.30.2. So I'm in my domain controller now, and I want to show you. So I have 2 interfaces. This interface here is my external, meaning it goes out to the internet. It goes out to the cloud, or it goes to the internet, the world, basically, right? All that stuff. Look at all those nice packets, right? And then I have my internal, which is my, that's what I'm accessing the internet from. This guy right here. Click on details. So this is what I was talking about here. So this IP address, this domain controller, is 172.16.30.2. So from him, or this NIC, it's going through this NIC out to the internet and get me browsing the internet, whatever. That's how that works, by the way.